Hey DJI, welcome to South Florida. This is my video verification proof that everything's fine with my Mavic. I was not aware of the 48-hour window, so we're gonna give this a shot and see what happens. Here's the Mavic. Here is the serial number. And here's the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here and start the whole process. So first step, it says to turn on the controller and then the battery, so I'm going to turn the controller on. And I'm going to turn on the Mavic. Alright, next thing it says is to enter the DJI Go app. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we need to calibrate the compass in just a minute here.
The point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So I'm going to go ahead and calibrate. And I'm going to do the steps here. I pressed record by mistake. Okay, calibration complete. It was a very sloppy calibration, but we got it done. Let me look at the list. Alright, we need to format the SD card, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. Do we want to format the SD card? Yes, we want to format. And format complete. Okay. Next thing we need to do is check the IMU. So we're going to do that. Advanced settings, sensors, IMU. And here's the compass once again. And back to the IMU. Alright, perfect. Now we need to come down here to look at the gimbal. Alright, the little camera. We're going to pan it down, pan it up, left and right. Doesn't move that much, but here's a slow pan. And a slow pan once again to the top. Okay. Now, come up here. We're going to power on the motors. Look at the Mavic and the remote. And we're going to hover it. So let's go ahead and take off. Okay, there it is. I'm going to demonstrate that we can go left and right, up and down. So we're gonna go right. Sorry, wrong. Right. Now we're gonna go left. Now we're gonna go forward. Now we're gonna go back. And we're going to rotate to the right. We're going to rotate to the left. We're going to go up. And we're going to come down a bit. Alright, perfect. Now we need to do our distance test. We're going to record a couple of seconds of video right here. So I'm going to hit the record button. And I'm just going to turn towards us so we can film us here. There we are. Wave to the camera. Waving, waving. And now we're going to show that it did record the video. And I'm just going to... There we are. Wave to the camera. Waving, waving. Alright. Now we're back to our live picture here. And we're going to carry out our distance test. So let me step around you here so you can film the screen. Really what you need to focus on is the information down here. So we're going to just go to altitude. So right there we are about 200 feet in altitude. And 300 feet away, we gotta go to about 600 feet away. It was 600, right? Which is about 200 meters. So right there we're at 700 meters away, 700 feet away, 286 feet in height. I'm gonna bring it up to 300 and something. Now I'm gonna turn to the right. I'm gonna pan the camera down. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back towards us. Now the Mavic is coming back home. .200 feet away from us, 323 feet in altitude. It's right above us now. I'm gonna start bringing it down. Hopefully there is not too much noise from interference here. Alright, and I'm just going to land the Mavic here close by to us. Now I'm going to land it. Focus. Alright, now I'm going to turn off the Mavic. And I'm going to turn off the remote. Okay, thank you for watching.